Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Jeneline Mercado, kinaaliwan ng mga netizen sa kanyang bagong video, kung saan siya ay nagkaroon ng hakot challenge mula sa bago nitong iniendorso na produkto ng Beautyderm. Ito ay challenge sa kanya ng CEO na si Miss Rhea Tan. Ang napakagandang si Jeneline ay ginawa ang kanyang best kaya naman nakarami ito ng nahakot na produkto. Ito ang kabuuan ng kanyang video.
Ready na po?
Okay po.
Magbubuhos. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
We'll always care, we'll always there, when there's no getting over that rainbow, and as long as the dreams won't come true, yeah. It's all the madness the world has to give, but I without you. Oy, prom ko to. Walang practice. So many times when things seems to be without a friendly face, a lovely place. It's nice to know that you'll be there if I need to. We always smile, it's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow, when there's more as the dreams won't come true. I can't think of the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Ladies and gentlemen, find you, Beautyderm Ambassador, Miss Jeneline Mercado.
Hello everyone! Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo?